Analysis Report: The Emergence of BRICS as a Global Superpower. Executive Summary: In the latest BRICS summit, the once 5-member bloc has expanded its membership to include 10 countries, with over 59 additional nations expressing interest in joining. This expansion marks a significant shift in the global power dynamics, positioning BRICS as a formidable counterbalance to NATO and Western alliances. This report delves into the implications of this expansion, the strategic advantages of BRICS over NATO, and the potential for BRICS to reshape the global economic and geopolitical landscape. Expansion and membership. BRICS, originally comprising Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, has now welcomed Argentina, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Turkey, and Indonesia into its fold. This expansion not only increases the geographical reach of BRICS, but also enhances its economic, military, and political influence globally. Argentina, with its rich natural resources and strategic location in South America, adds significant value to BRICS. Saudi Arabia and Iran, these Middle Eastern powerhouses, bring immense oil wealth and geopolitical influence. Turkey, as a pivotal player in the Middle East and Europe, Turkey's membership signifies a major geopolitical shift, especially with its NATO ties. Indonesia, the inclusion of this Southeast Asian giant adds further economic muscle to BRICS. Potential new members. A growing list of 59+ countries, including Mexico, Nigeria, Egypt, and Thailand, have expressed interest in joining BRICS. This potential expansion highlights the bloc's appeal and its perceived benefits over Western alliances. MED. BRICS versus NATO. A comparative analysis. When it comes to military strength, BRICS countries collectively possess vast capabilities, surpassing those of NATO in several areas. Manpower. BRICS countries have a combined population of over 3.2 billion people, providing a vast pool of military personnel. Nuclear arsenal. With Russia and China leading the charge, BRICS's nuclear capabilities are on par with, if not superior to, NATO's. Technological advancements. Investments in military technology by China and Russia are closing the gap with Western innovations. Now, let's talk about economic power. BRICS. Nations boast some of the world's fastest-growing economies, with China and India at the forefront. GDP. The combined GDP of BRICS countries surpasses that of NATO members, driven by China's economic might and India's rapid growth. Trade networks. Expanding intra-BRICS trade and establishing new trade routes with potential members like Saudi Arabia and Indonesia enhance economic resilience. Resources. BRICS countries are rich in natural resources, including oil, gas, minerals, and agricultural products, ensuring energy and food security. Moving on to geopolitical influence, BRICS is strategically positioned to exert influence across multiple continents. South America. Argentina's inclusion strengthens BRICS' presence in the Western Hemisphere. Africa. South Africa, along with potential new members like Nigeria and Egypt, extends BRICS' influence across the African continent. Middle East. The membership of Saudi Arabia, Iran, and Turkey places BRICS at the heart of global energy politics and regional stability. Asia. The presence of China, India, and Indonesia consolidates BRICS' dominance in the Asia-Pacific region. Strategic military alliances. BRICS nations are forging stronger defense pacts, potentially surpassing NATO's security arrangements. The Russia-North Korea Defense Pact enhances military cooperation and strengthens BRICS' position in East Asia. Turkey's departure from NATO to join BRICS signifies a major strategic realignment, potentially bringing NATO's southern flank under BRICS' influence. BRICS members are developing joint military exercises, intelligence sharing, and coordinated defense strategies to counter NATO's influence. Economic and financial strategies. BRICS is planning to launch a single currency to facilitate trade and reduce reliance on the US dollar. A unified currency promotes economic integration, making BRICS function more like a single economic entity. By moving away from the US dollar, BRICS can mitigate the impact of US economic policies and sanctions, enhancing economic sovereignty. A BRICS currency could challenge the dominance of the US dollar in international trade, potentially leading to a more multipolar financial system. Implications of Putin's Southeast Asia visit. Russian President Vladimir Putin's recent visit to Southeast Asia underscores BRICS' strategic ambitions. Putin's visit aims to bolster ties with Southeast Asian nations, potentially paving the way for their inclusion in BRICS. Enhanced cooperation between BRICS and Southeast Asian countries could lead to greater regional stability and economic development. By engaging with Southeast Asia, BRICS can counteract Western influence in the region, further solidifying its global position. Conclusion. The expansion of BRICS to include 10 member states, with the potential for further growth, marks a significant shift in global power dynamics. With its vast landmass, abundant resources, and strategic geopolitical positioning, BRICS is emerging as a formidable counterbalance to NATO and Western alliances. Through military cooperation, economic integration, and strategic alliances, BRICS is poised to reshape the global order, potentially leading to a more multipolar world. This hypothetical analysis highlights the potential for BRICS to become a stronger superpower, dominating over NATO and the West, and ushering in a new era of global influence and stability where BRICS is the sole superpower on our planet.